In this video, I will show you how to download your Facebook information. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook app. Tap on this three lines icon. Tap the gear icon. Scroll down until you see your information. Next, tap download your information. Next, choose the profile from which you want to download information and tap next. Next, tap here. Now choose the types of information you want to download. If you want to download all information, then select all. Next, tap Next. Choose the email address to which you would like to receive the information. Select Format Type. Now select Media Quality and select the date range. And finally tap Submit Request. You will receive an email notification when the file is ready. When you get the email, download the information as soon as possible. You will have only 4 days to download it. That's it. Hope the video helped you. Please give it a like, it helps me. Thank you.